Imagine the version of you standing 5 years from now. That person is calm about money in a way you are not yet. They did not win a lottery, and they did not inherit a fortune. They simply started carrying a handful of quiet habits long before the money arrived. The strange part is that those habits are almost invisible from the outside. Nobody claps when you build them. No paycheck suddenly doubles overnight. Yet these small signs predict future wealth more reliably than any salary ever could. The people who end up rich almost never looked rich 5 years earlier. They looked exactly like you look right now. What separated them lived in tiny decisions made when nobody was watching. Today, we are going to walk through 13 of those signs. Watch closely, because some of these are already sitting quietly in your life, and the ones you are missing can be installed starting today. The first sign is that you move money the moment it arrives. Most people wait to save whatever is left at the end of the month. The trouble is that nothing is ever left over. Life expands to swallow every dollar it can reach. The future wealthy flip that order completely. A slice of every paycheck leaves the account before it can be spent. They do not wait to feel ready, because ready is a feeling that never shows up. There is always a reason to start next month instead. Consider Marcus, who earned an ordinary wage and felt behind for years. He set one automatic transfer for the morning after payday. It was small enough that he barely noticed it leave. The first month he worried it would hurt, and it did not. 2 years later, he had a cushion he never remembered building. The second sign is that a broken car annoys you instead of scaring you. Something always breaks, eventually. A tooth, a transmission, a water heater in the coldest week of winter. For most people, that moment is pure dread and a card swiped in panic. For the future wealthy is a mild irritation paid from a buffer already waiting. Almost half of Americans say they could not cover a $1,000 surprise from savings. More than a quarter report having no emergency cushion at all. The distance between fear and mild annoyance is the whole game. When Elena kept just 3 weeks of expenses in a separate account, a dead transmission became a bad Tuesday instead of a crisis. She paid the bill, refilled the account, and never lost a night of sleep. The third sign is that you actually know your number. Ask most people what they spend in a month, and you get a shrug and a guess. The guess is almost always wrong, and wrong in the same direction. Too low. That gap between what you think you spend and what you truly spend is where money leaks out unseen. It drips away like water behind a wall nobody checks. The future wealthy refuse to be strangers to their own money. They know roughly what comes in and what goes out. When Dana finally added up her spending one night, she found forgot. Subscriptions quietly draining her every month. Nothing dramatic, just a dozen small leaks. Awareness is not glamorous, but it is the floor everything else stands on. The fourth sign is that your money is not sleeping. A huge number of people keep their savings in an account paying almost nothing. Meanwhile, inflation quietly eats its value every single year. The future wealthy make sure their idle cash is at least earning a fair return. They move it somewhere it can grow while they rest. This is not about chasing risky bets or clever timing. It is simply refusing to let lazy money sit and shrink. When Tomas moved his emergency fund to a high-yield account, it began paying him real money each month for doing nothing. A few clicks once can change the trajectory of a decade. The fifth sign is that a raise does not immediately become a bigger life. When most people earn more, they spend more almost instantly. A better salary becomes a nicer car and a heavier stack of bills. The reward vanishes, and the treadmill only speeds up. The future wealthy let their lifestyle rise slowly while their savings rise faster. When Priya got a promotion, she kept living like her old self for one more year. The entire raise went straight into investing. She barely felt the sacrifice, but her future changed shape completely. Lifestyle creep is invisible precisely because it feels like you earned it. The sixth sign is that you think in decades, not weekends. Most financial stress comes from staring only at the next few days. The future wealthy zoom out until the picture calms down. They know that a boring choice repeated for 10 years beats a brilliant choice made once. Compounding rewards patience far more than genius. A modest amount invested steadily can quietly become a fortune given enough time. The first years feel slow and almost pointless. And then the curve bends upward. The people who win are rarely the smartest in the room. They are simply the ones who refused to quit early. The seventh sign is that you never leave free money on the table. Many workers ignore the match their employer offers on retirement contributions. That match is a guaranteed return you will not find anywhere else. Skipping it is like refusing part of your own paycheck. The future wealthy capture every dollar of it without fail. When Leo realized he was missing his full match, he adjusted one, setting in an afternoon. That single change added thousands to his future for every year he stayed. Free money ignored is still a choice, just a quiet and costly one. The eighth sign is that your investments are gloriously boring. The people quietly building wealth are rarely chasing the hottest stock of the week. They own simple, diversified funds that track the whole market. It is not exciting, and it is not a good story at a party. But boring and steady beats thrilling and reckless almost every time. The future wealthy have made peace with slow. They are not trying to get rich by Friday. They would rather be quietly wealthy in a decade than briefly interesting for a month. Excitement is usually the sound of money leaving your account. The ninth sign is that you attack expensive debt like it is on fire. High interest debt is a leak that drains everything above it. Every month it survives, it quietly steals from your future self. The future wealthy treat it as an emergency, not a background hum. They throw everything extra at the most expensive balance first. When Rosa finally killed her highest card, the freed-up payment became her first real investment. Paying off a 20% debt is a guaranteed 20% return. Most people overlook that because it does not feel like earning. The 10th sign is that you started before you felt qualified. Most people wait for a perfect moment that never actually comes. They want more knowledge, more income, and more certainty first. The future wealthy begin messy and small, then improve as they go. A tiny investment made today teaches more than a year of reading. Momentum matters more than perfection at the very start. When Jamal invested his first small amount, he finally stopped feeling like an outsider to money. The earlier you begin, the more time does the heavy lifting for you. The 11th sign is that you protect your focus from noise. The financial world is loud with panic and hype every single day. Most people react to every scary headline and every shiny trend. The future wealthy build a simple plan and then ignore the noise. They do not sell in fear or buy in greed. When the market dropped hard, Sam did absolutely nothing on purpose. That calm inaction quietly saved him years of progress. The ability to sit still is a rare and profitable skill. The 12th sign is that you invest in your own earning power. Wealth is not only about cutting costs and trimming spending. It is also about the skills that quietly raise your income. The future wealthy keep learning things that make them more valuable. A single new skill can lift your paycheck for the rest of your career. When Nadia spent her evenings learning one technical skill, her salary jumped within a year. Your ability to earn is the largest asset you will ever own. Betting on yourself is often the highest return move available. The 13th sign is that you build a foundation that does not shake. As wealth grows, the future wealthy add steady, calm assets underneath it. They hold some safer investments that soften the wild swings. This is the ground floor that lets them stay invested through every storm. It is not the exciting part, but it is what keeps them from panicking. A steady base turns a nervous investor into a patient one. When the next crash arrives, they sleep, while others sell in fear. And patience is the quiet engine behind every fortune ever built. So there are your 13 invisible signs. Notice how none of them required a huge salary or a lucky break. Each one is a choice you can make from exactly where you stand today. If you already carry a few of them, you are further along than you feel. If you are missing some, you now know precisely what to install next. The wealthy version of you is not a different or luckier person. It is simply you, 5 years into these quiet habits. Wealth shows up in your behavior long before it shows up in your bank account. So pick one sign today and begin building it. Your future self is already waiting on the other side of the mirror.